In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on Doge future while examining Dogecoin cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Dogecoin value expectation and answer questions in the event that Doge is a wise speculation or not, for what reason will Doge succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. Dogecoin value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and key evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Plus 0.37%, $0.0664. October 2, 2022. Plus 2.63%, $0.0679. October 3, 2022. Plus 5.46%, $0.0698. October 4, 2022. Plus 7.00%, $0.0708. October 5, 2022. Plus 2.77%, $0.0680. October 6, 2022. Plus 6.42%, $0.0704. October 7, 2022. Minus 0.79%, $0.0656. October 8, 2022. Plus 7.27%, $0.0710. October 9, 2022. Minus 1.49%, $0.0652. Dogecoin value forecast 2022. 2022 October plus 3.42%, $0.0684. 2022 November minus 1.75%, $0.0650. 2022 December minus 6.26%, $0.0620. 2023 January plus 1.59%, $0.0672. 2023 February plus 0.67%, $0.0666. 2023 Blemish plus 2.00%, $0.0675. 2023 April plus 6.95%, $0.0708. 2023 May plus 14.81%, $0.0760. 2023 June plus 11.15%, $0.0735. 2023 July plus 13.48%, $0.0751. 2023 August plus 25.02%, $0.0827. 2023 September plus 21.20% $0.0802 Doge Value Forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Doge coming to $0.1042 in 2025. What will Doge be worth in 5 years? The cost of Doge in 5 years could lie around $0. Dogecoin Value Forecast 2030 to 2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees Dogecoin coming to $0 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a splendid future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a momentary theory with a decent leave technique. Dogecoin is definitely not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise speculation? Dogecoin is definitely not a wise interest as we would see it. Why? Indeed, it faces a furious rivalry from other comparable crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certified local area, not including examiners and publicity pursuing group, and the group behind the undertaking is doubtful. Might Dogecoin at any point make you a tycoon? No, Dogecoin might not cause you a tycoon as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $0.0589. In the long haul, 8 to 10 years, it will undoubtedly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and get more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first-mover advantage, it brings no interesting offer, it has a frail group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed and ascend in cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul. Most of tasks will fall flat, a few new businesses are made just to assemble reserves and vanish, some would deal with the opposition, however most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet truly,